Let me go to scenario. Go to general accounting. Go to journal. Okay. BCL line. Right. Then create journal. I will show the successful test case and later I will show suspense. Then we will understand. Okay. So let us take 14 August 25 JE. Okay. Rent expenses paid. Did you observe yesterday it was not appeared? Today it was appearing. Yes or no? Did you observe it again?
Yes, sir.
Not populated. Right. So if I go to here, very, very interesting. I'm entering functional currency journal. Sorry, 5, right? Expenditure start with 5. So take rent expenses, rent expense. Right. So regular entry, and I will enter 15,000. So once we paid rent, and rent always you will give the either check or cash. And like if you remember, I given cash at Bank of America, search engine. This combination we already used. Okay, 15,000. So save the journal entry. Remember, when you save it, debit amount, credit amount always equivalent, equivalent. Okay, save, complete, then post it. This is everyday regular journal entry. You are meeting, okay, standard logic criteria. You are hitting the post. Now I will test the another scenario. Like, okay, I will give the 14th. 35 JE batch 2. Let us take. Okay. Enter telephone expenses. Okay. Right. Let me enter. Okay. Here I said, right? Unbalanced entry. Example. Okay. Any general unbalanced. So you entered a debit line, suppose 10,000 INR. Credit line, you paid correct and 10,000 you paid, but mistakenly you entered 1,000 only. Mistakenly you entered 1,000 only. See, that message is showing. Keep on shows the message because of primary balancing segment, because of the company code. So complete, again message, post it, again message, confirmation. So even though 3 times system educating us, you entered debit credit is not equivalent, then you can see. Clear? Right. Okay, select for posting. It will not post it. If it is posting means it is encouraging unbalanced one and it will not post. Remember, if you go to dashboard here, it shows general unbalanced. Okay, verify what error, what issue it is showing. See, so your ledger level, your company code level, it is unbalancing them because system identified. Okay, so Oracle is suggesting the solution here. What solution? You must enable suspense or correct the amount. First solution, make a note. Correct the amounts and post it. Make a note. Query the journal. Go to manage journal. Manage journal. Go here. Correct the amount. 10,000. Then initiate for posting. Error will be disappear automatically. Post it. Because I entered proper accurate amount as well. Right. Complete. Second solution. Client may ask, enable suspense at ledger options. Instead of the correction, I want to use suspense account, but 99.99% clients will not use. Okay. Required setups. So define suspense GL accounts assign at ledger options. Make it very, very interesting. Okay, right. That means when I enter the any unbalanced additional line should be added as a suspense. Okay. Go to setup and maintenance as a regular. Go to value set values. Query the BCL line. Go to accounts. Add the suspense. You can give any number. 5695. Suspense. Okay. Global. It should be expenditure. I will enter one more 56900 suspense. Okay. Spreadsheet wise. Another GL account. So client like to maintain suspense account particular source like a manual spreadsheet. 56800. I want to use suspense for category wise. Okay, make it.
Sir, excuse me.
Yeah, please, sir.
Sir, what is this third-party control account, sir?
To stop the manual journal entries only. If client requested, I don't like to post any manual source entries for particular account, like liabilities, revenues, some balance sheet account, keep control account SN. Okay, save and close. Okay, I completed basic setup. Now go to ledger options. Go here. Take the BCL line, your primary ledger. Here, what is the target? Assign ledger option. Go to suspense. Clearly mention. Add the suspense account. I take an global and if you remember, that means my client like to use any scenario, this account should be considered defaulted while posting the journal entry. That is our target. Click OK. So this combination I assigned here. Save and close. Okay, now let me test the scenario. Test the scenario after setup configuration. Go to home page. Create a journal under our primary ledger. You can take any scenario. So let us take computers purchased. You can select the any department. Procurement team requested to buy the computer for all departments in the company. Uh, So I entered 50,000 debit line. Here you can enter the, okay, purchased computers. So then I paid cash and corrected check 50,000. But user mistaken, that is user mistake, he entered 5,000 mistaken. Save the journal. Even though suspense lies enable, it shows the message. Complete again message. Post it. Now verify whether it will allow to post or not. So let me copy the batch. Okay. Query the journal. It will take a couple of seconds. It will verify ledger level, right? Did you observe additional line added? That can be either debit or credit, whatever unbalanced side. Higher, it will take, okay, unbalanced side, it will add from the ledger. Now client will ask it, new requirement. Client may ask, can we maintain suspense account for, can we maintain or can I use suspense account for category wise or source wise? Yes, sir. We have the great option since CBS server. Go to GL. Setup and maintenance. Take the manage suspense. Manage suspense. See, I will choose the BCL line. I will choose the BCL line. Very, very easy and very, very easy. See, we need to understand the processor first. Right. So from ledger options, it is defaulted because other means any source, any category. Now client will request us, I want to maintain spreadsheet wise particular source, any journal. I want to maintain separate GL account. Is it possible? Yes, sir. You need to show these functionalities. Okay. Build the instance. Sometimes client may ask it, I need source wise, particular source wise, only purchase invoice, like office expense. Can I maintain category wise separately? Any source? Example, manual source regularly, right? Manual source, particular category, like here I take an BCL officer. If any entered category unbalanced entry, I want to record particular category wise. Yes. So you need to understand, okay, which one is the best solution for them. So system will observe first, okay, each setup level controller. Okay, let me give the logic. I entered journal, posted, unbalanced. System will verify, okay. System will verify manage suspense account. Manage suspense account level. Control all. Then it will verify ledger options. Assigned all. If both levels is not there, example, both levels are not there, then it shows error message that we tested first, right? First scenario, you must enable suspense at ledger option. So system will be use the logic to consider your suspense line either from the category level, sorry, manage suspense setup level. Not there, it will come from ledger option. If it is not there, it will throw the error. So you need to understand the, okay, requirement, suggest the solutions. So this is very, very interesting. But once you posted the journal suspense, posted suspense amounts, you need to, okay, correct it. You need to adjust and again, you need to do the adjustments because suspense should not be there and every month. Then what I will do? I will go to home page and every month, every day by accountant, go to general accounting dashboard, the GL accountant client side. Okay. Go to inquiry analyze balances. Okay. You will go here. Okay. So 45,000 suspense amount recorded. That should not be happen. That is user mistake. Then, so now 45,000 recorded instead of the cash. Right? Now, every month the client should do the adjustments and otherwise it will be difficult for auditing. Then suspense account debit 45,000 and cash account, cash at the Bank of America credit 45,000. So we supposed to record cash and but it was recorded suspense, right? So every month you need to do the adjustment. So it is a difficulty job and encouraging the user, making the mistake, again correcting. It is not suggestible. So you need to do additional work. That is the reason Real-time 99% clients will not use suspense account. It should be stop starting errors, they will correct it. Right? In my experience, I have seen only 1 or 2 clients out of 24 clients using the suspense account. Okay, so this is a way we need to correct. Next topic, accounting sequence, one of the important topic in our language, simply document sequence or ocharan. Okay, so now client requirement, and try to understand requirements. He will say, I am posting many journals regularly. Okay, I would like to maintain some numbering. Can I maintain any numbering for easy data control? Yes. Oracle suggesting accounting sequence. So what is the benefit? Majorly audit purpose. You can easily inquiry the journals. You can maintain the reports with the sequence number, OCH number. That means client want to use 1 lakh number. It's not amount, numbering. Okay. They want to use numbering for each journal. If you remember here, when I'm creating the journal, I'm not seeing any OCHR numbering. Sequencing we did not enable. Now client like to maintain accounting sequence, name number. Okay, let me explain. I hope you guys are listening, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So required setups, very, very important. Enable at ledger options. Define accounting sequence numbering. Assignments critical. Then we will do test scenario. So go to ledger options. 99.99% client will use this functionality. Enable sequencing, ledger wise, accounting under document sequencing. I'm not enabling for subledgers no more. Save one dollars. Let me reopen. Oh, no. I'm enabling for eligibility. Then manage accounting sequence. Critical topic. Without this setup, I never ever seen any implementation supporting. Okay, sequences assignment. So let me give the example BCL line underscore India underscore GL underscore sequence. Okay. So you can give the historical data to migration time. I am taking April. You can take 1 lakh number. It is not amount. Okay. 1 lakh. Sometimes client may ask us, can I maintain financial year wise sequence? Financial year wise sequence. Yes. Then give the prefix 00. You can give number. When I was working for one client, they requested me financial year wise. Then every year you need to define as a mandatory. So That time you need to give the end date every year wise. If client says I want to maintain continuity without year dependency, then save. Very interesting. Save and close. Then go to assignment. This is a very critical. Go here, create, select the BCL because we enabled. Here try to understand when sequencing will generate saving time, posting time. It will allow posting time. Okay. So come here, then choose the BCL line. Give the start date April 1st, even though you are implementing middle of the year. I am giving to the system all sources, means any source, means importing, manual, spreadsheet, category, any category, purchase invoice, other sales, any category. I want to use this 1 lakh continuation. So you want to add exclusion for any particular category, then you can exclude. Save and close. Anytime you can disable if you don't require it. So, okay, done. I completed. Very easy. So then let me test the scenario. Create a journal. Okay. Then, okay, you can take any machinery purchased. Here we given condition any category, all categories, all sources. Okay. Let me take one number. We defined mesh computers. Sorry. Let me change machinery. Regular. Then cash account is we already use combination will be populate automatically. So 10,000. Okay. So as a consultant, try to re-verify one of the important before posting. See sequencing updated or not. Then I will post it. And system immediately observe ledger is eligibility for sequence or not. It should generate. Go to manage invoices. Manage invoices. Go to show more. Understood? Because ledger level we control them. Here as a consultant try to understand. Controlled ledger option. Controlled all categories. Then all sources. Now sometimes client may ask us, can I maintain sequence for source wise, category wise? Yes, sir. You have eligibility. Define how many sequences required. Assign properly at setup level. Sources specific, category specific as well. Then what I will do? What is the benefit? I can easily inquire the journal and today onwards. If I go to manage journal, add field. Here you can see the accounting sequence number. Very interesting. I can search with the numbering. Compared to batch name, journal name, they can inquiry easily for auditing. So you can inquiry. Even we will develop the some standard reports. Sorry, customized report with the sequence number control. This is a major advantage for the business users.